Sa ngayong napaka-fast-paced at napaka-highly competitive na business environment, maraming mga negosyante at kumpanya talagang naghahanap ng competitive edge. Pero marami rin ang na-overlook ang napaka-importante na factor in achieving that. At yan ay ang skill level ng kanilang organization or team. We all know that technology and tools are leveling the playing field. Therefore, ang iyong true advantage talaga is the competence ng iyong mga tauhan, ng iyong mga members. Ang iyong mga competitors nag-invest sa tools at technology. Ikaw ganun din. But the difference is, they are also investing in developing their people. Now the question is, who will win kung ikaw hindi ka nag-invest doon na area? How much more kung superior na sila in terms of tools and technology kumpara sa'yo, at superior pa sila in terms of investment in training and development ng kanilang mga tao. Well, it's safe to say that you will be wiped out, that you will be eaten alive itong mga kumpanya na talagang aggressive in developing their people. Kaya hindi basta-basta matatalo ang Apple company because grabe ang kanilang dedication sa pag-invest sa kanilang mga tao in terms of their training and development. And you can do the same. You can create a culture sa iyong negosyo, sa iyong kumpanya na talagang it is your priority to invest in the training and development of your people. Again, if you want to grow your business, you need to grow your people first. So if you want more information kung paano to gawin, as a training consultant, we will offer you free 30-minute consultation kung meron kang at least 10 o 20 na tao and you want more ideas how to grow and develop your team. Contact us. Let's talk.